So, do you like watching TV? Well, I love it. I love my sports, a good series, and obvious, the important one. Hi there, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete Projects. So, here are 7 things you should consider before you mount your TV. Before we start, remember to subscribe and click on that notification bell. And if you like it, share it. Number 1. Do you have a spot for the components? If you are like most people, you have several devices hooked up to your television. Game consoles, cable boxes, DVRs, so the cords will be messy and all over the place. One easy way to solve it is installing a floating shelf underneath your television. Another idea is to put a bookshelf underneath the television to fit all the components. Simply drill a hole in the back of the bookshelf to thread all the cords through if there's not one already. Number 2. Do you have a cord concealing plan? The sleek look of a mounted TV can be ruined by messy cords running up the wall. Even if you don't have a single device plugged into your TV, you still have to contend with the power cord tailing the TV. So here are a few solutions. You can have the cord installed inside the wall, done by a professional. Get a power outlet installed behind the TV so the cord doesn't dangle. Or purchase a cord hider that will camouflage the cords. Number 3. Can your wall handle it? The most important thing to consider when mounting your television on a wall is whether or not your wall is strong enough. If it's a brick plastered wall, no problem. But when it's a dry wall, you'll need a stud or 2 to anchor your screws. Use a stud finder to locate the studs in your wall to determine where you can hang your TV. Do not attempt to use drywall anchors. Eventually, the anchors will pull out and your television will end up on the floor. Are you mounting the television above a fireplace? Putting your TV above the fireplace seems like a great idea, but it's not. Fire, TV, no. Find a different spot. Great, now you've got the spot, do you have all the tools? Make sure that you have all the tools to mount your television on the wall. So let me give you a list of the tools you need. Also check out the video description down below. You'll need a stud finder, a drill bit, and a screwdriver. You can also watch this video if you need any help of how to mount a TV on the wall. Are all the ports accessible? Check to see where all the ports are located on your television. If the ports are on the back of the TV, you need to purchase a wall mount that can telescope outwards, giving you better access to the back of your TV. This is important if you often add a device. You don't want to dismount the television every time when you do so. Lastly, what's your angle? Another wall mount consideration is your viewing angle. And this is simple, depending on where you sit. Also keep in mind the late afternoon sun. There you go. Happy viewing. Have an awesome day. Remember, keep it simple.